In this video, we're going to be talking about how to reset your UMB password or user ID. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, if you haven't already downloaded and installed the application, simply go ahead and do that and open it. Once you do that, on the bottom of your screen, as you can see, there's going to be a little forgot password button right over here for your password. Or if you have forgotten your user ID, you can click on the forgot user ID on the bottom right over here. When you click on forgot your password, they're going to ask you for your user ID. Simply go ahead and enter that, enter your SSN number, and they're going to send you a verification code into your mobile number. And when you enter that, they're going to let you go ahead and change your password. For the user ID, they're going to ask you for your bank account number and then the same credentials that I mentioned before. And that is it. Once you enter all this, they're going to send you a verification code and enter that back, and you're going to be able to go ahead and change it. I hope this video clarifies everything you needed to know. If you have any more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.